Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas. I am so excited to be participating in Vlogmas this year. I will be bringing you videos every day from December 1st to December 25th. Yes, every single day. Make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of these videos. Let's get into it. Welcome to day 18 of Vlogmas. In today's video, we're going to my son's basketball game. We're going to unbox some new products and we're going to style this hair. Stay tuned. So I'm so excited about these new products that I was just sent from one of my favorite companies, Wash&Go. So if you watched my Vlogmas where I did my product empties, you saw one of these products in that empties video. So I'm so excited that I got a new one, and this is none other than Slippery Hair Mask from Wash&Go. So if you saw in my empties, this thing was completely gone. So let me show you what the product looks like. She is very thick and moisturizing. So this slippery hair mask can be used as a deep conditioner, as a rinse out conditioner, as a leave-in conditioner, and as a styler. So this hair mask is super moisturizing, extra slippery, and easily detangles. So some of the first couple of ingredients are water, olive oil, avocado oil, cocoa butter, cucumber butter, mango butter, shea butter, sea buckthorn oil, and honey. It also has glycerin in it. The direction says to deep condition, apply it to damp or wet hair, leave on for 15 to 30 minutes, rinse out. It can also be left in overnight and then rinse well the next morning. Use it as a leave-in, apply it to damp or wet hair, and then style. So excited to get into slippery. So I'm gonna be using it today as a leave-in conditioner, and it's going to pair with one of the new products that I told you about from Wash&Go, and this is Curls Popping Moisturizing Curl Defining Gel. I am so excited to try out this new product, and I already know that it's going to be bomb. Let's open it up and see what Curls Popping is talking about. Oh yeah. It's the jiggle for me. It's the jiggle for me. So let's see. This is a very creamy gel. Has a kind of a cinnamon, some sort of a cinnamon sort of smell to it. I can't put my finger on it, but I cannot wait to get into this gel. I didn't get into the smell of slippery, so let me open slippery back up. Doesn't really have a smell to it. So I'm so excited to try these two products. We are going to be doing a wash and go. So we're going to go in with Slippery first as our leave-in, and then Curls Poppin' Gel as our styler. And then to top all that off, the third product that I got is Super Rich Hair Oil, which is a rich blend of oils for the hair and the scalp. So it says to apply to dry or wet hair, working from scalp to ends, use 2 to 3 times per week or as often as needed. Some of the oils in here are avocado oil, sunflower oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, sea buckthorn seed oil, Brazilian buriti fruit oil, carrot oil, tea tree essential oils, lavender essential oils, lemongrass essential oil, rosemary essential oil, and peppermint essential oil. So this oil has some goodies in here. See what it smells like. It's a nice smell to it. Smells like a good mixture of some essential oils here. So let's just get right into styling, shall we? Okay, so we are done styling the wash and go. And can we get into these curls? The shine, the moisture, the definition, and the length. Okay, Love Bold Co. We are going to sit under the hooded dryer for 30 minutes. I'll come back and let you see what that looks like. I'll let it air dry for a few hours, diffuse. I'll come back and let you see what that looks like. And we will scrunch out the crunch, if there's a crunch, and fluff together. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are back. We sat under the dryer for 30 minutes, and of course my hair is nowhere near dry, but you can see the shrinkage beginning to get real. There is going to be a gel cast, which I am so excited about, because with that gel cast comes hold and longevity of the style. So I'm excited about this. Like, Love Bow Co., you showed out with these new stylers. Can't wait for the finished result. So we're gonna go back under the hood dryer for probably about 30 minutes. I never sit under the hooded dryer for more than an hour. So I'm gonna sit under there for another 30 minutes. That'll be an hour total. And then I'll let it air dry some. And then we're going to diffuse and break this cast a bit and fluff and slay this wash and go. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are back and our hair is completely dry. Again, there is a gel cast, and we are going to scrunch out the crunch using super rich hair oil. We're going to squirt some of that in my hands, and then I'll just take a section and just rub the oil through to get rid of that gel cast. And as you can see already, just rubbing the oil down my hair. Difference between this side and this side that I haven't scrunched yet. Take a little bit more oil. My hair is defined, moisturized, shiny. Absolutely loving this trio. So I am just going to fluff, and I'll be back with a final look. Stay tuned. Okay, so I am back with the final results, and I am absolutely in love with this wash and go. I ended up putting a middle part because the bang is just pretty much non-existent. So yeah, these are my final results. Around so you can see the back. Absolutely love this wash and go. Let me show you again what products I used. So I started out with the slippery hair mask. I used that as the leave-in conditioner. Then I went in with Curls Poppin' Moisturizing Curl Defining Gel. And then I got rid of the gel cast with Super Rich Hair Oil. All three of these products are from Love Bow Co., an amazing small Black business that you should definitely support. I do have a discount code with Love Bow Co., so I will leave that in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.